what's going on, all of you wonderfully amazing people? Please be sure to hit that subscribe button if you are new to my channel. I share work at home jobs on this very channel either every day or every other day, okay? I also have a work at home job lounge over on Facebook. So if you are on Facebook, come over there and join us. We share a whole lot of tips, tricks, and we also share when we get hired and new jobs that are currently hiring right now, okay? So if you're on Facebook, come over there and join the Work at Home Lounge. Amazing things that are happening in this group. All right, so let's get into this video. You guys, if you are a person out there and you're looking for a full-time work at home job, I highly recommend you go over there and check out this particular company right here. They're actually hiring in the Central Standard Time Zone, the Mountain Standard Time Zone, and the Pacific Standard Time Zones, okay? So if you live in any one of those time zones, you can work for this company. Now, another thing that I love about it is that they actually pay a very, very good starting rate. It has been reported that it's starting around $16 per hour. I do know they pay start you out at between $15 and $17 per hour. I'm pretty sure that has a lot to do with the experience that you have, but most people said that they have started them out at around $16 per hour. There are actually a couple of people who are over there in the Work at Home Job Lounge who have recently completed their interviews with this company, and they are now proceeding to I think there's some type of a test that they have to take. And I am going to let you guys know that they do train you. So if you don't have any experience with the medical field, they do train you. Okay, so again, $15 to $17 per hour. Okay, so this is what's considered a high-paying job in the work-at-home world, okay? You might not consider it high-paying for outside of the house, but working from home, this is considered a high-paying work-at-home job, all right? So what you will be doing is you'll actually be working with veterans to educate them on their healthcare options and choices. And you'll also be reaching out to healthcare professionals in the community to coordinate medical appointments and follow-up care needs for the veterans, all right? Now, you'll also be providing customer service, etc., etc. This is basically a customer service related job where you will be helping the veterans with their health care needs. And again, that includes setting up medical appointments and follow-up care for them, okay? Now, you do not have to have a whole lot of experience with this position. That is what I absolutely love. It says, are you qualified? Are you a veteran? Are you a family member of a veteran? Are you a friend of a veteran? Or are you just simply passionate about helping veterans? So if you're any of those things, you don't even have to know a veteran. But if you're simply a person who is passionate about helping those who have served our country, this is definitely the position for you. You do not have to have a lot of educational experience. So if you have a high school diploma or a GED, you qualify. If you have any type of customer service related experience, you qualify, okay? Now it does say, are you familiar with medical terms or work experience understanding medical codes? Do not worry if the answer is no, because it specifically says, if not, we can teach you, okay? They do train you with this position. And there is somebody in the group, I have to find her name, but she actually works for this company right now. So definitely check them out. They do provide medical, dental, and vision coverage. They also give you a generous paid time off. So if you're somebody out there that is looking for a work-at-home job that is kind of sort of reminiscent to a job that's outside of the home that does provide paid time off, this is the position for you, okay? They do have 401k, okay? And they also have short-term and long-term disability, basic life, and accidental death and dismemberment insurance, okay? So definitely, again, if you live in the Central Standard Time Zone, the Mountain Standard Time Zone, or the Pacific Standard Time Zone, go run and apply for this position, you guys. They do send you your equipment, so you don't have to worry about having updated equipment or anything like that for this position. So if you're somebody out there that is not only looking for a work-at-home job, but looking for one that actually provides you your equipment, this is the company to apply for. Awesome, awesome company. Again, there are several people who currently work for them. I do know one girl in particular who is in our group, so I have to go over there and find out exactly who she is so that I can get some information from her. But if you are interested and you live in one of those time zones, definitely run, do not walk. And also, if this doesn't seem like something that piques your interest, definitely keep an eye out on the blog. I update it either every day or every other day with new jobs that are currently hiring right now. And also, if you don't really want to have to go back to the blog every day, definitely join the Work at Home Lounge because I update that group every day with new jobs that are currently hiring, okay? Good luck to each and every one of you guys that apply, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.